If you would like to delete your YouTube channel, then stay tuned, watch this video as I show you the quick and easy steps to do so. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business using YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a YouTube channel from YouTube. Now, if this is your first time here, make sure to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload brand new videos every Tuesday. Now, deleting a YouTube channel is different from deleting a YouTube account. If you want to delete a YouTube account, make sure to click on the button that's up there on the card and also the link that's in the description below if you would like to delete your whole YouTube account as opposed to your YouTube channel. So you want to delete a YouTube channel. Maybe you've created too many, maybe you just got one there that came out of nowhere and you don't know how it got there and you just want to get rid of it. Whatever your reason to delete the YouTube channel, we're going to head on over to the Trusted Computer as I show you how to delete that little pesky channel. So to delete your YouTube channel, go to your account by going to youtube.com/account. In here you will see all my channels or create a new channel. Click on that. So here you will see all of your channels under your YouTube account. If you don't see the channel that you want to delete, then go up to the top right and then select the other account that your channel will be under. Once you have the correct one, then you want to go to the one that you want. So in this case, we're going to delete Joseph Bananas. And again, we go back to account and then we go to advanced settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to where it says delete channel. Click on delete channel, pop in your details again. So here you have two options. You want to hide your content or you want to delete your channel permanently. So if you select I want to hide my channel, it tells you what will not be hidden, which is the channel page, your channel name, your channel art, your icon, your likes or your subscriptions. So your content will be hidden, but your channel will not. And if we select I want to permanently delete my content, it goes, the following will be permanently deleted: your comments, your replies, your messages, your search and watch history, as well as your channel. So check the box, click on delete my channel. Then we got to put in our name again. Click on delete my content. And then your content is being deleted, and it may take a couple of days for it to be permanently deleted. So there you go. That's how you quickly and easy delete a YouTube channel from your YouTube account. Very easy, very straightforward. But remember, the content will be gone after the set period of time. So why do you want to delete your YouTube channel? Let me know in the old comments area. I'd love to know that reason. Maybe it is just a stray one that popped in there, or it's just you couldn't be bothered maintaining it anymore and you just want rid of it. And as always, if you have a question about this or anything else to do with YouTube, make sure to pop that question in the old comments area down there and I'll do the best I can to help you get that question answered. I want to thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, as I said before, make sure to hit the subscribe button right here and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. And make sure to watch one of these fine specimens of videos here as well to help you grow your YouTube channel, especially for your business. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.